This is a walkthrough of room 3879, which is a suite in the Gallery Tower at Downtown Grand in downtown Las Vegas. Now I'm only here for one night, and I was booked into a regular deluxe room and was upgraded without asking. I didn't even do the $20 trick. I did give him $20 once he'd done it. He just said, let's get you in a suite. So I thought that was pretty good. The offer was 2 free nights, $45 in free play and $20 in resort credit. Now, I've not really played here that much lately, so I was surprised I got any offer at all, but it was pretty welcome. So you've got coffee making facilities there. Nice little fridge for your own stuff. And this room is absolutely spotless. And the view out of the window. This is right at the back of the Gallery Tower, looking at the Mob Museum to the left there. And a nice mountain view. And the windows are really, really clean as well, which is nice. And then walking into the bedroom area. It's really inviting. Lots of space, nice big bed. Closet in here. With your safe at the bottom there. And then your bathroom in here. Nice dual sinks. And a walk-in shower in the corner there. There's no scuffs or anything on the walls, so I can only assume these aren't used that much, these rooms, because this Gallery Tower's now got to be, what, 3 years old, probably? But really, really nice. Very, very impressed. Now, I normally stay at Plaza these days, but I decided just to give it a miss this time. And try somewhere a bit different. Well, it's a retro trip, this, right? So we may as well go retro and stay in the property that I always used to stay at. That's the way I looked at it. But we'll be back at Plaza next trip, probably. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. I'd always recommend Downtown Grand. This Gallery Tower, and at the back of the Gallery Tower, you're not going to hear anything from Fremont Street. So if the noise is an issue, you're not going to have noise here. So if you fancy staying here, I would recommend asking for a room at the back like this one. And you could do far, far worse than get this exact room, to be honest. Speak to you in the next video. Take care.